The police are theorizing that a Central Village couple was killed over a firearm.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
A Central Village, St. Catherine, husband and wife, may have been gunned down over a firearm that was seized by the police, cops theorize. Security guard Fabian and his 24-year-old wife, Nicolette, a customer service representative, were at home when criminals invaded the house on Monday, October 8 and opened fire, hitting them several times. Nicolette died shortly after the shooting, while Fabian succumbed to his injuries a few days later on Friday, October 12 in hospital. Police say they are following several leads into the brutal killing. One of the leads we are looking at is that the man and his wife were killed by criminals who blamed them for a firearm that was confiscated by the police in the community, a police source said. Clive Blair, the senior superintendent in charge of the St. Catherine South Police Division, in which Central Village falls, confirmed that the police were looking into the reports. It is something we have received a report about and are looking into, Blair said. Sources said that the victims, before they were killed, were accused of passing on information to the police about an illegal firearm that the police managed to have seized. As a result, the two were threatened and, in fear of their lives, were escorted from the community by the police. The St. Catherine South Police confirmed that Miss Hardy and her husband had filed a report. However, the couple reportedly returned to their home at about 4 p.m. last Monday. About 7:30 p.m. on the same day, residents reported hearing explosions in the area, and it was later discovered that armed men had forced their way into the house and opened fire, hitting the couple multiple times to their upper bodies.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.